What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and tonight we are just looking at Ethereum that is at $4,600 right now. Yes, the bull market is continuing, guys. We have basically confirmed that the bull market is here to stay in Bitvember here. Ethereum is almost at 46. I think it's going to go to $6,500. I'm going to tell you why. NuCypher, guys. Now, it just blasted off to over $2. So let me tell you, $2, right? So NuCypher is down to about 92 cents. And I was looking through crypto all day long. I wanted you guys to answer either way what crypto you think I should have bought with my $1,500. Well, I decided on NuCypher. So that's why we're doing the video about NuCypher. I just put $1,500 into NuCypher, so we'll see how that goes. We will look at my trade as we go here. So right now, all of my trades, I am about $200 in the profit. So as of right now, I have Bitcoin, Polymath, NuCypher, and internet computer price. Here, let me just show you since we're on full screen. This is my portfolio right now. I have others too. I have Dash, I have XRP. I mean, this is just my bigger, well, this is my Coinbase holdings. So there's Bitcoin, nice little amount. Polymath, I just got that yesterday. And then NuCypher, I just put $1,500 in. It was over 15 and now it's at 1486. So hopefully that was a good purchase. And then we got my internet computer price at, probably about $50, $64 in profit right now. I think I put 1,100 in there. So $64 profit. NuCypher though. Let's go in and look at this one. Yeah, it went to 95. And when is that, today? Yeah, so it went to 95 today. But if you go and look at the week, $1.22. Now let's look at the month. $2.35. And look at it down here. So, yes, it did start the month down here, and that does worry me because at the end of the bull market, this is where it's going to go again. And I just hope that it doesn't head that way now. But I think it's going to try to test up for this again. I think we might go to that price again. Or somewhere near, like maybe that part of it. So that's what I'm thinking. So I did take a big risk. I wish more people would have told me about that. Oh, and guys, big news for the channel. I can't believe I forgot to tell you this. I just started a new channel. You know how I had Bitcoin Renegade 2 and Bitcoin Renegade Changes the World. Well, I didn't start a new channel. I just basically turned Bitcoin Renegade 2 into Bitcoin Renegade Shorts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 regular videos per day on this channel. Maybe 1 or 2 will be a live stream, but 4 uploads a day on this channel. And then I'll do all my short videos on Bitcoin Renegade Shorts. There are 2 different monetization policies, so I might as well get 2 channels out of it. So, but I want to know what my inner council thinks and what you guys think. Was that a good idea? Do you think moving my shorts over there is going to hurt my main channel? And is it going to stop my momentum? Should I keep the shorts here? Or do you think my regular channel should just do this and then have a different channel for shorts? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate that. So, all right, now let's move out from here. I do want to take a second to thank our sponsor, Trash Faucet, for sponsoring us all this time. I don't know where he is. He's not responding to me on Express Crypto, so I don't know where he went. But I hope he comes back one day. Express Crypto, I don't even mind putting them in here. I have not got contacted for sponsors. I think it's because the channel isn't monetized yet. So it isn't just because it isn't like once you get to 1,000 subscribers, automatically, everybody starts reaching out to you. I think you have to be monetized. Then it sends out like some signals to the places, and people are like, okay, you're monetized. Now we can sponsor you. I don't know if that's how it works, but it seems like nobody wants to sponsor me yet. So, and NuCypher, yeah, it's a little bit below right now, but I think it'll go back up. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing right now? Let's check, guys. Let's check on here. And then we'll look at Ethereum, because Ethereum, this is the one we want to talk about, but I just want to look at Bitcoin real quick and just see what it's doing. So we're at 62.8 on Bitcoin. And I think Ethereum just hit a new all-time high. And I think Bitcoin is setting up for its, next move up to the upside to the, either high 60s, like 68, 69, or mid 70s. I think we are going to have another push to the upside, guys. We're having like this little shoulder here. This is basically like part of the domed house. We're still going to have a major push to the upside. This pattern is playing out perfectly, exactly like it's a textbook pattern. 3 peaks in a domed house. 1, 2, 3 peak, the basement, first floor, the first part of the domed house. The second part of the domed house is going to be way up here, and then we're going to have a third part that's back down here, or maybe even a little higher, but depending on how high the domed house goes. So shout out to Kevin Spence and Crypto for pointing out this pattern. It did play out. I've been watching it ever since. This is textbook 3 peaks in a domed house. So we are in for a massive push to the upside, guys. We are at least going to see a $70,000 to $80,000 Bitcoin. I think probably right here, 80, maybe. I mean, we could push up to a big dome to 85, but I mean, I'd say 112. That was my price target. But with this right here being so low, I don't think we can go to 112. That would be a really weird shaped house. So I'm thinking it's going to be more like 80. This is where it kind of would look comfortable at for being 3 peaks in a domed house. Just from that pattern. I'm not saying what my original investment strategy was, but this is what this pattern is telling me. We're going to about 80. And then we're going to go sideways and then down. And then we're going to have another sideways action here before a dump. That's what 3 peaks in a domed house said is going to happen. And everything has happened so far. So I'm not going to say, oh, it's going to change now. No, this pattern's played out. This is 90% done. I mean, for real. The 3 peaks. Here, let's look it up. Let's get it up. 3 peaks and a domed house pattern in crypto. Okay. Evan Svensson, look at there he is. But yeah, I made a video on it too. But Bolowski, 3 peaks in a domed house. Let's find it. Trading view. Okay. This is an interesting pattern discovered by George Lindsay in the 1950s. If you look at the illustrated pattern, BTC is following it to a T. It is. It's straight up. It is following 3 peaks in a domed house right now. And this is what watch, I'll show you. I want to get them side by side to show you exactly that, yeah, dude, this is it. You can see that this is the pattern that's happening right now. So get out of here. But yeah, as you see, 3 peaks, 1, 2, 3, and then the one that drops, and then here's the basement, and then the first floor, then you have this thing, and then the top of the domed house right here, and then boom, and then down. So it's following it exactly. This was, I don't know when, but if you look at it now, dang, I wish they had an updated version of this because it followed it exactly, guys. Exactly. The first floor, and then boom, look. Now let's go back to here. Boom. So let's draw it out. Let me do this one first. Move. Let's go full screen, guys. I'm going to draw it out. I'm going to show you. This is a three peaks in the domed house for sure. It's playing out exactly. So when a pattern like this that's been discovered is playing out, it's basically, I'm saying this is 90% that this is going to happen. So as you see, the three peaks, I wish I could just flip back and forth somehow. That would be cool. But the three peaks, as you saw, and then the one that went down, and then the basement, here's the first floor, and then the original climb, and this is the first part of the domed house. And then it says it's going to climb even higher. So three peaks, one peak, two peak, three peak, and then the one before the basement, first floor, first peak or first whatever peak of the domed house, then the next peak of the domed house, and then this is going to happen. So I'm thinking right around 80 grand. See, right? Yeah, I think right around 80K. That's even a little low. I think it's going to go up a little bit higher than that actually. And it could even go steeper, guys. We could wick higher. I didn't even think of that. We could definitely wick higher than this. Sorry, I wasn't planning on talking about Bitcoin, but I saw this three peaks in the domed house right now. But yeah, we could wick to 112,000. I didn't even think of that. So that could be a possibility, like just a way up and then way down, just like a flat. You know how we went from like 60,000 to 8,000 and then back? Well, we could go from 80,000 to 112,000 and back like that. So if you have like a market order sell up here at this, I don't know if you can do a market sell for that. No, you couldn't. If you had a limit order sell up here and you get lucky and it goes through it, then you could do that. But so that's how it says it's playing out, guys. Exactly how it says it's playing out. See? This only goes to the basement, though. That's the first three peaks. Oh, they're saying like this, that this is three peaks. I don't really like how they drew it on there like that. That's really not the three peaks, but okay. And then you have your basement right here, your first floor. I wish they'd draw the rest of it up here and see it now. So, okay, now let's go ahead and look at Ethereum because, wow, we are going to all-time high after all-time high. So, booyah. 50,000, 45,000, 45. Man, I can't get it right. $4,590. That's how much Bitcoin is right now. All-time high right now. Well, yeah. 46, 43. Okay, no, not right now. It opened $4 right here. So we did go higher to 4,643. Sometimes my mouth speaks before I think, so just don't mind that. Now, this is not a three peaks in the domed house at all, but it is still following a nice pattern and big all-time highs. And guys, this pattern right here to me is definitely looking like it's going to go higher. And we're looking at a $6,500 Ethereum if it keeps going the way that I think that it's going to go. And that is like this. I think we're going to reach up maybe to 5 grand today. and then go a little, or not today, but this week or something, and then kind of go back down a little bit, 43, and then I think we're going to go all the way to 65 or right around this area up here. And then I can see us consolidating back down towards these levels right here. And then maybe even one more pump to the upside to 10,000 before it goes around in circles and circles and circles and we don't know what's going on. No, I have no idea why I just did that. Because I like to have fun. Don't you like to just scribble every now and again? It looks like a rocket ship that's blasting off. Look at that. That's my rocket ship. And this is the where it came from. It was like, ooh, we almost made it. Oh no, crash, mayday, mayday. Oh, just kidding. That's kind of how crypto is sometimes. Okay, so now NuCypher, was that a smart decision on my behalf, or was that kind of dumb, guys? I don't know. Look at Anchor. I sold out. So if you wanted to know what happened with my Anchor trade, because I kind of left you guys out in limbo on that, it uh, didn't go up like I thought it was going to. I made like a $90 profit though, and I sold out. So that's what happened with that. And then I bought in today. I was looking for your guys' help, and I didn't get a whole lot of advice that I know of yet. I kind of didn't really look at the videos though, because I saw an opportunity first. I really did want your guys' help, so maybe next time I will. So guys, still tell me crypto though. That's what I'm asking now. Even though I don't have like cash to buy it, I still might, my next buy. So I'm looking for advice on cryptocurrency to buy that I can make money in this bull market right now, guys. So anybody, give me your idea of what crypto I can still make a profit on, and then I'll listen to you, and then we will see what happens from there. Okay, so I do want to go into NuCypher, and hopefully it hasn't jumped all the way down to 29 cents again, or I will be probably out of a grand, $1,000. Oh my gosh, it's already down to 91. Yikes, yikesoids. Gulp. I'm gulping because it's already down a lot now, and it was on its way up when I bought it. So, zoinks. Okay, so one day, yeah. See, this is when I bought it down here, or where? Where is it? Come on, give me a price here. Okay, I bought it right around here, I think, or this one. Yeah, this dip right here, right there. And then it went, yay! Oh, cool! I'm making money. I'm making money. Oh, wow! Look at that! I'm making pretty good money. Nice. All the way up to what? 95 cents almost? Yeah. 94.46, and then it goes, oh, just kidding, just kidding. Oop, oop, oop. Oh yeah, we're going up. Nope, nope, nope. W. Oh yeah, look at that. We're going up back to 93. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good. Yes. Oh wait, no, it dumped so far. Wait, 91? No way. Oh man. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. 93. Ooh, yeah. Oh no, 91. And that's where we are now. But I was looking at it more of a broader view. As you can see, look, we are super duper in the down. So I was thinking, yeah, look at that. Well, when you hit a peak and then you try to hit it again and you start going down and then reverse, it can slowly climb to this peak again, guys. That's what my thought process was on that. And this peak here, if you look back even further, the month, look at this peak. Okay, you're talking $3.12. It did go to $3.12. Wow, that's even higher than on Coinbase. Coinbase said it only went to 235 or something, so 312. And look at the market cap and the volume. Almost $1 billion, guys, 2 billion. And now look where it is now. We're only at 115 million. So if we get some more volume coming into this like that, which we had some come in right there, oh yeah, we could definitely, go back to these levels up here even, or even up here and over here. So the only thing I'm worried about is this level down here. So this is why it's a risk, because in the same basically month, it went from amazing gains to, low levels to amazing gains, and then back to medium levels. So whenever you're at a medium level like this is a risky trade, honestly. But it could be high risk, high reward because we could slowly ticker back up to this, which sometimes does happen in these weird bull markets, which happened with Chili's and Anchor and all of them. They went to a big high and then they reset and then they slowly climbed up and then went for it again. So that could be what's happening here. See, we've had mini spikes way back here even. Let's do year to date. Okay, so we did have some bigger spikes even back here, all the way even up to 96 cents with NuCypher. Now let's look at year to date. Um, okay, what is this? So, okay, I don't like that one. Let's do all. Now, okay, this is the highest it's ever been. I was thinking there was going to be a big raise back here. I think there was on Coinbase, possibly. I'm not sure though. A friend of mine was talking about Jasmy. I think it's Jasmy. So we'll be looking up that crypto on one of our next videos for later on. So what have I done today? So this is going to be my third video, and actually I have a fourth one already made for today. So I will do one more short video on my short channel. I have 4 videos today for this channel. They're all over a minute though. That's the thing. So I'm not going to get the views from the short feeds on this channel anymore. So I hope that doesn't really kill our momentum. So I might have to bring the shorts back. If that happens, like in 2 weeks, if we just plummet, then I'm going to have to bring the shorts back to help the channel. But I think, honestly, I think my channel is good enough, and I have so many amazing people behind me that I think we can do it. I think we can separate like that, and then it'll give us 2 monetization platforms. Because I know we can get to 1,000 on a crypto short channel for sure. So, and they're easier to do because it's less than a minute. The only thing is there's more editing in 1-minute videos if you don't get it. I'm really good at getting it to like 51 or 57 seconds, but sometimes I go over like a minute 13 and then I have to edit it, and that makes it kind of harder, but yeah. So NuCypher, 91 cents. I don't know, was this a good purchase? What do you guys think? Let's go into Q&A right now. So, oh, we didn't do any news yet. So we were going to go into some news as well. So let's do some Q&A, and then we'll go into some news. One last look at the chat, just in case we have enough people to do the giveaways, and then we'll call it a night. So, how is everybody doing tonight? I'm glad that you all could make it for sure. Oh, cool. Now I can make him a mod. Sorry, I should have done that at the beginning. I have a lot going on in my brain, man. Here we go. Add moderator. You are now a moderator. Does anybody else want to be a moderator while I am giving out the spots? Inner council, I mean. Let me know. Here, I'll go all the way to the live chat. Not top chat. Live chat. There we go. So we're at the live chat. Let me know if you guys want to become moderators. If you are inner council, I will let you right now. Okay. So if you do, just let me know. If I see it, I will let you be moderator. Sorry it took me so long to get a hold of all of you in the chat. I just wanted to kind of get into the video right away because I had a lot on my mind. And when I have it on my mind, if I start thinking of something else, then it will kind of throw me off. So please do me a favor, smash that like button if you haven't already. All you have to do is leave the live chat, smash the button, and then you can come right back in. And it really helps the algorithm. Question: did you make a good profit? Yes. If you're talking about Anchor, yes, I did make I made like a $90 profit. It's not the best, but if I can make 90 to $1,000 a day, then that would be great profit every day. If I can make $1,000 a day, or even $100 a day, that would be fine because that would be 3 grand a month if I made $100 a day. So that wouldn't be bad. You just happen to go live right when the oh no. Well, you definitely want to spend time with her, and you can come back to the live stream later, bro. For real, love is more important. I'm gonna start dating here soon too, so um, probably this weekend. I have a subscription to Christian Mingle. I just haven't been dating. I've been working a lot. So, but now I'm more interesting in my life. So now I can be like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Because last time I dated, I wasn't a YouTuber. Now I am. Now I'm famous. No, I'm not famous at all. I only have 1,000 subscribers. I mean, some people have like 1,000 friends on Facebook that they know, like they go to school with, or I never had that. I just moved around too much. I knew a lot of people, but then I moved away. So most of the people I know are out there somewhere. um, What's up, Weeping Angel? How is everybody? Man, I love it that you guys come every time. There's some inner council members that really don't take it very seriously, but some of you really go above and beyond. And I really appreciate that. And those of you that can't do that, I'm not mad at you. It's just the ones that do, I'm really appreciative of, and I do see you. I will go out of my way when I can to show my thanks. Show. I think you're right. Okay. Well, we'll try that. See, I wanted your guys' opinion. This is why I asked you in the chat, like for real. And I can ask you in inner council too, as well. That's what I have an inner council for. One of the reasons. Plus, you guys are awesome. We have each other's backs. So, and it goes both ways. Like, it's not just for me. I got you guys' backs too. So. It would be more help for me personally, so maybe do them all on here and also use alternate. That's what so good thinking. Okay. You're right. Until that channel takes off, maybe I should just put them on both channels. You know what I mean? Like the short that I do for over there, I put it on here and then over there, and then once that one gets a bunch of subscribers, so that's actually along the lines of what I was thinking, is that maybe I intertwine them like that and just do them on both until that one gets enough subscribers, or should I do different ones? I mean, they're just 1 minute videos. I should probably do them different instead of the same video. But that's a lot of videos a day, though. That's the only problem with that. I would have to be doing 4 regular video. Well, I guess I wouldn't have to do 4 regular videos here then, would I? I would only have to do 2 regulars. So I want to do 3 regulars, though. I think I'm going to up that one. So I'm just going to add 1 more video per day, I think, if we're going to do that. We'll talk more about that in the inner council with us. We need a meeting, guys. In the inner council, we're gonna have to schedule a meeting because this is the kind of thing we need to talk about and figure out what we're gonna do moving forward. I mean, I could just make all the decisions, but what fun would that be? I want your guys' opinion on it, because you're here with me. So I value your opinions. So that would help a lot. So thank you for saying this. That was what a lot along the lines of what I was thinking. So, okay. I think that's what I might do. I'm still thinking about it, but that is up there. That's pretty much what I'm thinking. Okay. Oh man, that's another thing that I was thinking. How about we experiment? I don't really like experimenting with the channel because there is both sides to it now that I'm seeing, because I wasn't really thinking of that. See, that's why I said I'm not deciding. Now I really have a lot to think about. I just have to. I don't do good thinking on air because then you feel like you're on the spot and you have to give an answer right away. Um, don't mean to do that to anybody, and I don't like to do it myself. So, you see a bull flag in the making on what? On what? I was trying. I was definitely looking at that because I need help with the Discord. If we can get a better Discord running, that would be awesome for the channel, for sure. Um, Yeah, it did. It did, bro. It did help a lot. Thank you. See, I'm gonna be trading a lot on this channel as well now because that seems to go over really well with the audience. I don't know why we only have 3 concurrent viewers. We didn't invite anybody from Express Crypto tonight. That's might be one reason. Um, so let's go invite the peeps. You guys know we're still doing the $5 giveaway too. So if you have a social media account, and even if you don't have a lot of followers on Twitter, you can still share and it might help. The more people, I mean, and if you don't have a lot of followers on Twitter, what I want to encourage you guys to do, this will help the channel out and it'll help your Twitter out. Just go follow a bunch of people. And then if they follow you back, leave them. And if not, just do that a few times and then get rid of the ones that don't follow you and keep doing that. And then you'll have like a couple hundred Twitter followers. And then every time you share it, it will really help the channel. If you guys in the inner council want to do that, that would really help as well. So the best crypto comment, but we must reach 25 concurrent viewers. Yep. So, I don't know what bull flag you were talking about on NuCypher. Oh, thank you. Okay, so in your opinion, how much or percent of Bitcoin one portfolio? At least 50%. Mine is more than 50% of mine. Mine is probably about 70% of my portfolio is Bitcoin. Um, you're bullish on XLM? Yeah, I am too. I really like XLM. So you think I might should buy XLM? Okay. I was thinking about that because it's kind of low for right now too. So let's look at NuCypher. Is it Man, I hope it doesn't go down a lot after I buy it, man. I don't like it when that happens. Ooh, it's going back up. It's going back up. Wait, it's not going back up. What the heck, man? You tricking me? That's why I need to, okay, I think it is going up. Good. Good, good, good. Not a whole lot, but it's at least at my buy-in price now. Now I'm broke even. So, yeah. Now for news, I saw some cool stuff today. Look at this. Just right off the top. Call of Duty esports team owner and Box to launch NFTs that unlock perks for fans for Call of Duty. Now, Call of Duty is getting in on crypto and NFTs, guys. This is a worldwide revolution. This is the change of the century. Now, NFT project endorsed by Elijah Wood in disarray over artist racist drawings. Oh no, we don't need racism in crypto. It has no place here. Everybody's welcome in crypto, and I will whoop that. No, but I don't put up with that garbage. No racism here. Oh, but this is interesting. Solana flips fellow Ethereum rival Cardano as Sol nears all-time high. So guess what? Solana is now the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It just flipped Cardano because Cardano's been kind of stagnant, and I think Solana has a lot going on, and Cardano is just trying to figure out its smart contract platform, and it kind of is having some issues. That's only because it's in the infancy of its stages. Don't think that this is Cardano laying down and accepting defeat. I really think that it's going to catch up, and it might well, it will surpass Solana again. So, former CFTC commissioner joins Bitcoin exchange FTX US. CME says it's launching Ethereum micro futures as ETH soars to new all-time highs. Microsoft makes metaverse move after Facebook's meta makeover. What? Do you guys hear this? I mean, I don't know if anybody else is talking about this, but this steals the show right here. Microsoft makes metaverse move after Facebook's meta makeover. Microsoft Teams is embracing the metaverse with 3D avatars and virtual meeting environments. Now, what crypto though? I need to know what crypto that it's going to affect. When was this? This is yesterday. Oh, did you guys know? We're supposed to be celebrating right now. I have 11 years clean and sober today. 11 years today. This is about how I party anymore. Let's talk about crypto and make some money. That's how I party. That's how I mean, hey, that's what I like to do, right? I keep myself busy. I have fun. We have fun. Microsoft announced 3D avatars and immersive virtual environments for meetings. We got hit by the meetings fatigue in the virtual world, said Nicole Hershkowitz. There it is. Microsoft Teams general manager during an interview with The Verge. After 30 or 40 minutes max in a meeting, it was very hard to stay engaged and focused, she added. The news follows Facebook's corporate rebrand to Meta, a name that CEO Mark Zuckerberg said better explains what the company does and intends to do. All of our products, including our apps, now share the new vision, or a new vision, to help bring the metaverse to life. And now we have a name that reflects the breadth of what we do, Zuckerberg said. The metaverse is understood as a persistent virtual universe where users can interact with each other as digital avatars, kind of like The Sims, except in a real way. These virtual environments can be used for social interactions, gaming, or even work. And while Facebook, now Meta, claims it is dedicating energy to the future of the internet more than any other company in the world, Microsoft's new approach to Teams is a big step forward to the metaverse enthusiasts. Per The Verge, Microsoft will use AI to listen to a person's voice to use that to animate the avatar. We were able to interpret your vocal cues to animate that avatar. So it does feel present and it does feel like it's there with you, said Kelly, principal product manager for Microsoft Mesh. Okay, Mesh. Is that giving us a clue that it's going to be on Polymesh? Microsoft Mesh? Wait, dude, if I bought Polymesh and Microsoft is going for that, oh wow. Oh, look at this. Nike applies for virtual goods trademark amid Facebook's Meta rebrand. Oh man, guys, so many big things are happening in crypto. It's mind-boggling. Kelly added that Microsoft Teams' new metaverse look will become available as early as the first half of next year. The goal is that by the first half of next year, you'll be able to go into the immersive space and then be able to collaborate and use Microsoft's tools, she said. Kelly, in turn, in signing off the same hymn sheet as Zuckerberg, who struck an optimistic tone last week when he first announced Facebook's Meta rebrand. So, what of crypto? Okay, it has close relationship with NFTs. Take, for example, Ethereum's NFT metaverse game, The Sandbox, which rose by 244% this week amid the arrival of Meta. Metaverse hype has had a big impact on the metaverse tokens, not just the Sandbox. Another example of the metaverse token, Mana, which powers the Decentraland video game, okay, it is a video game, okay, a popular game among crypto enthusiasts. Mana ran up 100% after Facebook's corporate rebrand. Now that Microsoft did it yesterday, no wonder Mana went up again. I wish I would have had this news yesterday. That would have been good news. So, I need my drink. Okay, so this Diwali season Indians FOMO over Shiba Inu. They're using Shiba for gambling now, it looks like. Squid Game token crashes. Developers say they've left the project. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't get in on that. I didn't like Squid Games. I never even watched it, so I'm good on that. So, all right, guys. Well, that's about it. Volatility is not a feature; it's a bug. Oh, it is a feature, not a bug. Yes, it is. So I agree. Bitcoin's volatility is a feature, not a bug. That's how you make money. If it wasn't volatile, you wouldn't gain money. That's just plain and simple math. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I did my best to give you guys the best show that I could do. I'm gonna have to decide what we're doing with the channel now. I don't think I should stop doing what works. That would be dumb now that I think about it to stop doing something that really works for the channel, especially when I'm doing success right now. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna post both videos in both places. And just flood the internet with my stuff. And then when the short channel gets good on its own, and then this one gets good on its own, maybe we'll go down to one video a day. But yeah, we have a lot to discuss, and I have a lot to think about. So, okay. Yeah. The only way to do that without real money to put in is just over time. That's what I did to begin with. And it worked. Eventually, you will have enough money. That's the thing. A lot of people are thinking, I don't have enough money right now to invest. And that was a very good point you just brought up. So, I was the same kind of person. And this was before Bitcoin even was pumping. It was still at 10,000. We had no sight that it was going to 30, 60,000 at all at that time. And so, what I was thinking, I'm like, well, I'll probably never get at that point, I was like, I'll probably never even get one Bitcoin at $10,000. So I was like, well, I'm just going to collect as much of crypto as I can. And every time I get $5 or $10 extra, I'm going to put it into Bitcoin at that time. Now I would probably pick a different one, or put five in Bitcoin and five in altcoins, but that's because I know now more about crypto. But at that time, I was just putting it all in Bitcoin. And eventually over time it added up, and then I started to get a real amount of money to put in there. That was before I had the 5 grand from my settlement that I put in there. So before all of that, I had $0, and I just built it up. 5, $10 here, a couple surveys there, some short links. Any way I could earn crypto online, I would do it, and I would just add it up. I wouldn't spend it. I would just add it up. I would trade it back and forth in cryptos trying to get more money. But yeah, no, just collect. So if you don't have a lot of money, that's all you have to do. Just put a little bit in at a time. And eventually, if you put $5 in, even say $5 a day, or if you can't do that, say $10 a week, or yeah, $10 a week. That's $40 a month, and multiply that's $480 a year. So you put that $480 a year, and then in 3 years you're gonna have $1,500. By that time, that's gonna probably be about 8 grand in cryptocurrency. So even only putting $10 a week, you could make 10 grand in a couple years. Now, if you have more money than that, and then you can start moving it into different altcoins, and yeah, you can make money over time for sure. What up, South Africa? On Shiba Inu, I was just looking at Shiba. I now I'm sold. I'm on the Shiba Inu train. I think it has a high market cap, but I do believe it's going to eat another zero. I think there are so many people behind it that it can't be stopped. The same thing happened with Dogecoin, but I need everybody to be aware that it cannot go to a penny with the cryptocurrency in the price ranges that it's at right now, because Bitcoin, it's not going to go higher than Bitcoin. I know that. Shiba Inu is not going to. I mean, they've been saying for years, oh, something will outperform Bitcoin. Ethereum, not outperform, but overtake, market cap. It hasn't happened. It's not going to happen with Shiba. But can Shiba Inu eat one or two more zeros? very possibly, and almost for sure. So, not financial advice though. Entertainment purposes only. Common sense. What's up, Marshy? Hey, I'm glad you've been supporting the channel a lot lately. That's pretty awesome. I don't know why people leave when we do the question and comment part. This is one of my favorite parts of the episode. I guess you guys don't like it as much. Huh. That and Charles Hoskins is an anti-vaxxer. Yeah, I'm not an anti-vaxxer. You guys know that BitBoy Crypto has blocked me from commenting on any of his videos. I don't know why. I never did anything to. I never put a link. All I ever did on BitBoy Crypto was, say, hey, I made a video about that. If they were talking about something like interacting with his show, and I was like, oh, I made something like that, and he blocked me forever on his channel, like, in no matter what I say, because when you put a comment, you can always edit that comment, but whenever I go to edit it, it says that comment is not there anymore. That means he erased it. I know, because that's what happens when you erase the comment. It's not there anymore. And so I can't edit my comment because it gets erased right away. No matter if I put it in 1 second, they don't read it at all. They just, I don't know why. I really want to be on around the blockchain, and there's no way for me to ask to be on, I just don't get it. I guess I broke etiquette. I don't know. Or I'm not a millionaire. That might be one of the reasons. They only like millionaires over there. Seriously, that's the only reason I can think. Like, my channel is awesome. We have a lot of support in this channel, and a lot of you guys aren't people that are on BitBoy Crypto. Now, some of the viewers are, but yeah. Spread it all out. Well, you can spread it out. That's what I'm doing a little bit because, when you have it all in one and it doesn't move and everything else is moving, that can be discouraging. So, yeah, if you want to spread it out, that's what I would worry about. So, yeah. Well, I mean, that's how I would really grow in this space, though. That's what I wanted to do is, grow. And I had a lot to offer BitBoy Crypto, though. That's the thing. It's not just that I think, oh, what can I get from BitBoy? I think I would really have a lot to offer that channel and the way that I view crypto, especially the way you guys talk to me and, ask me questions, the way that I answer them. I think I would have a lot to offer around the blockchain. So, BitBoy Crypto, if you're watching, this is the only way I can ask you to be or on around, ask you to be on your show around the blockchain. I think I would be amazing. Even give me a practice question or something that you would ask on the show that you would want me to answer, and boom, I guarantee if you like the question, maybe you could let me on the show, or if you like my response, then maybe you could let me on the show. Um, but who knows if you watch my show? That's the thing. I don't know how else I would reach BitBoy Crypto. I was thinking, could I email him? He probably wouldn't get that either. So there's really not a way to get in touch with these people. That's the problem. I think he's a nice guy. I think if I talked to him, he'd probably let me on the show. But that's the thing. How am I going to talk to BitBoy Crypto? I kind of want to go to an event and be like, hey, bro, what's up? I'm Bitcoin Renegade. You can't block me now. I'd be like, no, I wouldn't do that. I would be very respectful. He's a cool guy, man. He's a Christian. I like BitBoy. I like Ben. He's a good dude. $900 faucets. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. How did you earn on EC? No, not dice at all. It had nothing to do with gambling. It's surveys. Surveys. And the price of crypto going up. That's why. So I didn't earn that much at the time. Or I did. I earned that much, but it was worth a lot less at the time. That's what I mean. It was worth a lot less, so it was a lot easier to get that amount of Bitcoin. And that's Dogecoin as well. I withdrew over 100,000 Dogecoin probably from there. So a lot of that was Dogecoin. A lot of it was Bitcoin too, but Dogecoin went from 3/4 of a penny all the way up to 70 some cents. So at one point, a lot of that was just from that big spike from Doge. So it's kind of misleading a little bit, but it's not. It's true. It's just it's a little more. It seems like it's a little more than it probably was. If you look at the cash value, it wasn't. I didn't make $15,000. If that's what you're thinking. No, no, not even close. So. Cardano. Okay. Cardano, like I've been saying, guys, Cardano is ready to pop. It is just getting all of its circuits right now. So if you think just because it's not moving, it's not a good buy, I'm getting ready to buy a bunch of Cardano myself right now. It's not going to be my short term stuff though. The $1,500 that I was talking about that I want to move around. This is going to be my day to day money. All of my other money, like in Polymath and Internet Computer, that's going to stay around for a while. Well, Polymath might not, but yeah. So for right now, that's what's happening. I missed your question. Which one? Oh, was it that one? Yeah, I answered. I eventually answered it, I think. Did you ask another one up here? Yeah, no, I got all your questions. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Sorry, I didn't mean to miss it. I never mean to miss you guys' questions, especially my inner counsel. You get a chance to look at it. Okay. A Doge lover. A Doge lover. Yeah, it's been almost 18 months, guys, since I've been in the crypto space now. So I got in because of the halving right now. This is what I was waiting for, guys. This moment is what I got in crypto for 18 months ago. You can ask any of my family. You can ask anybody. I mean, you could probably even look at some of my first videos, and I was saying, hey, I got in this because the halving. 18 months after the halving always has the biggest spike, always, every single time. It's like built into the protocol. And then when Bitcoin goes way up, all the other crypto now that is in the world goes way up. So things are different now in an amazing way. This is an opportunity that won't happen again in our lifetime. Right now is the best time to be alive when it comes to crypto. It is. I mean, in 20 years, crypto's going to be boring probably. Maybe not. They might have artificial intelligence. So that might have been a clue. So now that, man, I'm going to smash this dang fruit fly. Now that Microsoft is getting in on the metaverse as well, we need to start looking for metaverse coins again. I don't like getting the news late like that, but I think they hinted at artificial intelligence. So I'm going to look at fetch.ai. And because they are an artificial intelligence token, and they're looking into crypto and the metaverse, and so yeah. Yep. All right, guys. There isn't very many people here, and I have to upload another video still, and then make two shorts for the day because I can just upload the one. One of them was about XYO, and then the other one I'm gonna have to make still. So. If you guys could support those, and make sure you like and comment on all my videos today. Subscribe if you haven't, because I will bring you amazing videos on how to make money in crypto. I will show you my trades, my live active trades in altcoins, so you can see how I actually am making money every day in crypto, or every now and again, maybe not every day, but as often as I can. And I'm giving you guys up-to-date news and informing you of everything going on in crypto so you know where to put your money, because we watch the news, we look at the charts, we have a system in place. If you watch the channel, you learn the system over time and you make money too. That's just the way it is, not financial advice, right? But I'm trying to help people learn. And if you learn, then you can do it yourself. And then you don't have a financial advisor, you got your own financial advisor right up here. That's your financial advisor, your brain. So you can do it, guys. Follow your gut, use your brain, study, research. This is like, when you're in high school and college and you're like, man, I'm doing all this studying and I don't even get paid for it. I'm working my butt off and I'm not getting paid. Well, guess what? If you work your butt off and you research for this kind of stuff, you get paid for it, and you get paid nice. So just remember that. The hard work comes big reward. So, all right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye.